Marhaba. How are you doing, guys? My name is Yani Murawi. I live in the United States, and my experience is with my hair is falling off, causing kind of like not confident about my look and my stuff. So I decided I tried everything. I tried oil, I tried taking some supplement to help me to grow my hair back, but nothing could help me to get where I want. So I decided to do the hair transplant, and I have a friend who done it like a few years ago, and he was satisfied about himself and his hair. And so he gave me the name of the clinic. It's EstaPure. It's in Turkey. And I contacted them, and we decided to go forward. They explain everything. They explain how long this surgery is gonna last, and they go with you step by step. So I arrived to Turkey, and we find the driver is waiting for us. And they took us to the hotel. We arrived, and the room was reserved for us. And in the second day, they took us to the clinic. We met with the doctor, and they explained all the procedure for how we're gonna do it and what exactly they're gonna do. The procedure, I think, it lasts between 7 to 8 hours, and I was really satisfied with the timing and the care they provided to us. And the second day, I believe this is today, the second day, they done the hair wash, and I was really happy with the result. Hopefully, it's gonna be a great experience, and I encourage you guys with such from heart. If you are try to do this, to call and make contact with the EstaPure, and they're gonna take care of you. And my experience with them is they are such a nice people. They're gonna really take care of you. You're in a good hand. You know, hopefully, you know, you get your hair back. Bye-bye.
ما شاء الله مين أص
لا الخدمة هون تمام، عجبتني كتير الحمد لله. إن شاء الله we had a good time actually, you know, and I hope the result is gonna be excellent.
It was a great experience. I really love the place, the friendly crew, the doctor was professional, and I hope that this experience will open the door for others to come and visit this place, because really truly, I was skeptical when I first learned about it, but I realized everything that I heard came true. Everything was really, I love the transparency, I love the friendliness, and I feel good. Thank you so much. It was a great experience.